What's up, guys? Charles here. While CPUs and GPUs often steal the spotlight in a new PC build, the motherboard plays a crucial role in both gaming and professional performance. A high-end board delivers superior cooling, robust VRMs, and extensive overclocking support, whereas a budget board usually lacks these features. Given the Ryzen 7 9800X3D exceptional processing power and overclocking potential, especially when paired with flagship GPUs, a quality motherboard is essential to unlock its full capabilities. So we've picked two top boards for you, so let's dive in. Number 1. NZXT has unveiled the N9 X870E ATX motherboard, engineered to support AMD's latest Ryzen 9000 series desktop processors based on the new Zen 5 architecture. This motherboard is designed for high-performance computing, catering specifically to PC gaming enthusiasts, building high-end AMD systems. The X870E features an overclocking-ready power delivery system, incorporating a 20+2+1 phase power stage design. These components ensure stable power delivery and enhance overclocking capabilities for Ryzen 9000. Additionally, the motherboard's thermal design includes a high-performance VRM heatsink array with optimized fins, thermal pads, and dual PWM fans, alongside dedicated heatsinks for all M2 slots, ensuring efficient heat dissipation during intensive operations. The N9 X870E offers comprehensive connectivity options to support modern peripherals and networking needs. It includes USB 4.0 ports capable of 40 gigabits per second speeds, PCI 5.0 slots, 5 gigabit Ethernet, along with Wi-Fi 7 capabilities. These features provide users with high-speed data transfer, robust networking, and seamless integration with the latest standards. The motherboard is also equipped with 4 dual-channel DDR5 memory slots, facilitating faster load times, improved frame rates, and enhanced multitasking performance. Storage options are expanded with 1 PCI 5.0 M2 slot and 3 PCI 4.0 M2 slots, all featuring quick release latches for easy installation and upgrades. Number 2. The MPG Carbon Wi-Fi line has been a solid mid-range motherboard offering for a couple of generations now, and usually offers certain features associated with more expensive options, such as the Ace or Godlike, but at a much lower price tag. High-end VRM cooling, the latest USB, Thunderbolt, overclocking, and tweaking tools plus cutting-edge, ease-of-use features are all in the MPG Carbon. One of the things that stands out about the MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi is its support for PCI 5.0. With 2 PCI 5.0 slots, you can install next-gen GPUs and fast storage devices, giving you the bandwidth you need for heavy tasks. The motherboard also has 2 PCI Gen 5 M2 slots and 2 Gen 4 M2 slots, so you've got a lot of flexibility when it comes to choosing storage options. This feature is ideal for anyone who's serious about getting the best possible speeds for their devices. When it comes to memory, this motherboard has got you covered. It supports DDR5 memory with speeds of up to 8,400 plus megahertz. For connectivity, it includes USB 4.0 for fast data transfers and Wi-Fi 7. The MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi features a robust power delivery system with an 18+2+1 VRM phase configuration, paired with a durable 8-layer PCB. This design is more than capable of supporting high-end CPUs such as the Ryzen 9 9950X3D, and that's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.